We've taken years of experience and customer feedback from Invictus fans around the world and are bringing you the next generation in Invictus vacuums. Introducing the incredible Invictus X9 from JML, the powerful, versatile, cordless, bagless vacuum cleaning system. It's modern home cleaning with a universal king brush with a bigger, wider opening to take on mountains of messes in seconds.
With the X9, it feels like I am free and I can go wherever I want.
I've never had so much power out of a cordless vacuum. The X9, it's lightweight, portable, and the battery life's fantastic.
Get the Invictus X9 complete with everything you see on screen for the incredible price of $349.99. As a special bonus, you'll also receive the mini power brush that would normally cost you $49.99 absolutely free. Plus, we'll also throw in free delivery. Call or go online now. The Invictus X9's universal roller brush maintains contact with the floor surface, so it deep cleans and polishes at the same time, gliding easily from carpet to hard surfaces throughout your home. So one brush is all you need for any floor type. The Invictus X9's boost function gives you even more power to deep clean your carpets and pull up all that dirt you can't see. It's so easy to maneuver around and under furniture, and its bright LED headlamps light up the darkness, so you can see places where dirt and dust bunnies love to hide.
It's so lightweight, I have no trouble going up and down steps at all. It's my new favorite vacuum.
Get the Invictus X9 complete with everything you see on screen for the incredible price of $349.99. As a special bonus, you'll also receive the mini power brush that would normally cost you $49.99 absolutely free. Plus, we'll also throw in free delivery. Call or go online now. The Invictus X9 comes with all the attachments that make it so easy to clean any room of your home. Use the Lighted Crevice Tool for quick pickups on countertops and surfaces, the 2-in-1 combo brush to use on your curtains and to pick up messes without damaging your surfaces. And when you're done, simply dump the mess with just one press. The Invictus X9 is self-standing, so it goes where you go and stays parked when and where you want it.
I really like the LED-Lighted Crevice Tool because I can get into dark corners really easily.
It's mobile, it's easy to use, and I just love it. It's incredible.
Get the Invictus X9 complete with everything you see on screen for the incredible price of $349.99. As a special bonus, you'll also receive the mini power brush that would normally cost you $49.99 absolutely free. Plus, we'll also throw in free delivery. We're so confident that you'll be amazed with the pickup power of the Invictus X9 that we'll give you 30 days to change your mind. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back, thanks to JML's 30-day money-back guarantee. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now and stop struggling with those big messes. Keep your home clean and leave your floors gleaming with the Invictus X9 from JML.